Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do multicam editing in Sony Movie Studio Platinum. So normally in Movie Studio Platinum you cannot do multicam editing. That's in Sony Vegas. But I'm going to show you how it's kind of like a hack to use it in Movie Studio Platinum. You don't have to download any software, you don't have to do anything else. It's just kind of something that most people don't really know about. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and let's get started. So first step, what we're going to want to do is you're going to want to go into your Explorer and then just go and find your video. Mine is in Nerf Bros videos. By the way, this is probably a spoiler because I'm showing you kind of like a video before it's uploaded to Nerf Bros, my other channel. So, oh well. But so I'm just going to Nerf Bros videos, edited battles, FPS game 1. Then I have all of their cams in these bins. There were 4 separate cameras that were running. I had, there were 3 players, and I have the fill cam, which was, I was recording with my DSLR. So I'm going to start out, okay, so I'm going to add in his camera angle for camera 1, and in case you haven't noticed, it's actually like raining pretty hard outside. I don't know if the microphone can really pick that up or if you can see it. So I got that guy's camera, now let's go, and I'm going to get Echo's cam, battle 1 part, and then battle 1 part 2. Okay, so just these 2, and then I will go to Potato Killer's cam, battle 1, drag that in there, and then the fill cam, which was my DSLR recording. I think it was the second one. This is 3 minutes long. Yeah, that's 20 minutes. All right. So once you drag all of your footage, you hear that? Once you drag all of your footage into the project media, what you're going to want to do is select all of these video tracks down here. So just shift, and I'm going to scroll down, and we're just going to delete those by clicking, right clicking, and then click delete track. So now what we're going to want to do is we're going to select all of this, and we're going to drag this into the timeline, and before you do that, you're going to right click it and drag it into the timeline with your right key pressed, and click add as takes. So now what that's going to do is we can click, if we click Control Shift D, it goes to all of the cameras in a multicam editor. Isn't that cool? It is cool. So I'm going to show, and all you have to do is you can click 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5 on the number, and you can switch through the takes. So I'm going to start out with, or you can use the mouse over here. I'm going to start out, I'm going to make sure I'm using this in a very low quality because I'm screen recording and playing 5 separate video feeds at the same time. So it's going to use up a lot of RAM. So I'm just going to, all you have to do this is, I'm going to start out with this, my fill cam. All you have to do is just click play. It'll be playing, and I think I'm going to cut to Potato Killer's cam, which is camera 3. And all you have to do is press that on the thing just to show what he's viewing. Then I'm going to go to battle 1, just show what he's doing, and go to 4. And then you can just play through your whole entire timeline and pretty much edit it, and you can always change it if you want to. So I'm going to go back to my fill cam on 5. Oh wow, did you hear that? Okay. Number 3. And then this is just how you edit multiple camera angles. I'm going to go back to 5. So now if we pause this and we go back and we click Control Shift D again and go back to our normal viewer, I'm going to change this to preview auto. Now let's watch this. Look, as you can see, well, it's very choppy, but as you can see, it's playing normal, and then I was just pressing those, and it cuts to this is Potato Killer's cam, this is what he was viewing, because we had 5 cameras going, so this was a little difficult. Then it cuts to his angle, and it just makes multicam editing a lot faster if you do it this way. So let's just watch this real quick. So, and okay, if you accidentally make a mistake, like let's just say right here I meant to change this not to my fill cam, which I actually did mean to change it to that, but let's just say I wanted to do that, Control Shift D, go back, and I can just change it right here, and that changes the cut. Look, you can see it over there, just wherever you want to do it. I'm gonna keep. Did you hear that? That was almost like lightning right out there. It is raining really heavy. Okay, so that is how you do a multicam editor. I'm probably going to be using that technique for editing this video, even though I only have 2 cameras. I don't know how many cameras this can actually support. It might be able to support like 6 or 7, but it makes editing a lot easier and a lot faster. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, make